So now children, now we proceed to the process of issue of debentures. Children, the process of issue of debentures is not at all different from the process of issue of shares. Both are part of the share capital, the company's capital. So the process of debentures, the loan capital or the owner's capital is not different. The only difference is that here now we will use the word debenture account. Instead of the word share, we will replace the share capital with, we'll replace this with the debenture capital now, and the prefix to the 5% debentures, 10% debentures, the rate of debenture as mentioned in the question will prefix the name of the debenture. Rest all the entries. Now here debentures like the shares can be issued at par, at premium and at discount. Yes, there is no restriction to issue of debentures at discount also, whereas the shares could not be issued at discount. Yes, we discussed that shares could be redeemed at preference, shares could be redeemed at discount, but shares are not very readily issued at discount. But here debentures can be easily issued at discount. Yes, the rate of discount, that is also decided by the directors. At how much discount the debentures will be issued, that will be decided by the directors. Now the journal entries also are very similar. On the issue of debentures, bank account debited to debenture application account. Then this debenture application is transferred to debenture capital. Now we call this debenture account. Then that debenture or in case it is returned, it will be debenture application to either this or to bank. In case it is returned, it is refunded back. In case of over subscription, it is returned back to bank account. Then on the application money, which is on partly acceptable applications, debenture account to debenture. In case now debenture application to debenture allotment account. Then the debenture, the amount of allotment, the excess application money adjusted on debenture allotment, then making the allotment money due, debenture allotment to debenture account. Then this money where you receive the money on debentures, bank to debenture allotment account. Then the first call is made due, debenture first call to debenture. Then the money is received, bank to debenture first call. So the entries are, in case there are more calls, more entries are made. These entries received repeated exactly like the shares. So the shares, the issue, the process and the entries are exactly like the share issue of shares. We proceed in the same manner. Coming to now, we take the first illustration from your textbook. Now first illustration from a textbook. Govind Limited. Govind Limited issued 5,000 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at par. It is important, it is at par. Premium as follow on as payable as on application 20, allotment 20, first call 30 and final call. I have written the distribution here. Application 20, allotment 20, first call and final call 30 each. And what is said? Public applied for 6,000. How many debentures were issued? 5,000 debentures have been issued and 6,000 debentures have been applied for. Applications for 4,000. Now how do we adjust? Applications for 4,500 debentures, like here 4,500 debentures were accepted in full. They were given 4,500 debentures. They were allotted full applications. Applications for 800 debentures were allotted 500 debentures. And applications for 700 debentures were rejected. That means they were not allotted any debentures. Their debentures were rejected. And then they say money overpaid on applications was utilized towards allotment. So this is we begin from oversubscription part and the shares. Pass the entries assuming that all the money due were duly received except the final call or final call on 200 debentures, final call of rupees 30 on 200 debentures. So 200 into 30, this 6,000 will not be received, rest all the money is received. Now let us see how it will work. 4,500 debentures have been allotted 4,500 debentures. The applicants of 800 have been allotted 500. That means here the gap of this is the gap of 300 debentures. Oversubscribed debentures are these 300 debentures. The money on these 300 debentures will be utilized towards later for allotment. So 300 पे कितना आया हुआ है? 300 पे 20 rupees on application has been received, which will be adjusted on allotment. Now let us see how the entries proceed. Bank account, bank to debenture application for 6,000 into 20. 6,000 debentures, 6,000 applications have been received for 20 rupees per application, 1,20,000. Then debenture application, 1,20,000. To debenture account, how much can be adjusted? 5,000 into 20 can be adjusted. To debenture allotment, that 300, I just told you the difference between that 800 debentures have been issued 500 debentures. So money on these 300 debentures, the difference, these 300 debentures into 20 rupees per debenture, that has been adjusted. This 6,000 has been adjusted for allotment. Then debenture allotment, then to bank, how many debentures have been returned? 700 debentures into 20 rupees per debenture have been returned. That is the adjustment of the application, the oversubscribed application amount. Next, then debenture allotment is made due. Allotment is made due for 20 rupees per debenture on 5,000 debentures, 1 lakh rupees. Out of this 1 lakh rupees, 6,000 had already been received. At the time of application, 6,000 was received and we transferred it to debenture allotment. That means when the money for this debenture allotment has to be received, this 6,000 will not be received. So out of total 1 lakh that is due on allotment, minus 6,000, remaining 94,000 will be received. Then the first call, debenture first call is due for 5,000 into 30 rupees per debenture. The money is received on first call. All the money is received on first call. Then the money on second call is made due for the same 5,000 into 30. But then debentures of 200 debenture holders did not pay the final call. So final call is not received on those 200 into 30. That means final call is not received on those 6,000 rupees. So 1,50,000 minus the 6,000, remaining 1,44,000 is received. That is how, that means process is not at all different than issue of shares. Now, after this we proceed to next type of, next advancement is when the debentures are issued at premium. Debentures can be issued at premium. Like the shares, debentures also can be issued at premium, a higher price than what they're issued for. A debenture of 100 in case is demanded for 110. It is called debenture being issued at 100 at a premium of 10 rupees. It is a capital gain. This is a gain to the company, capital gain, and transferred to a new account called securities premium. Security premium is a common account which in which we security premium reserve account or security premium account, which we adjust the premium received on shares or premium received on debentures, because both are securities, loan securities and the owner security. So both are types of security. The premium received on debentures also is entered in the same account called security premium, and it is shown on the equity and liability side. It's a reserve. All the reserves are shown on the equity and liability side under the head reserves and surplus in the balance sheet. Right? We proceed now with one question for this. Sixth illustration. Narayan Limited invited applications for issuing 7,500 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 35 per debenture. The full amount was payable on application. Applications was received for 10,000 debentures. Issued are 7,500 and received are 10,000. That means oversubscribed by 2,500 debentures. Applications for 2,500 debentures were rejected. Okay, 2,500 debentures were rejected and the application money was refunded on those applications. Debentures were allotted to the remaining applicants. Same type of question, only premium has to be adjusted. Now let us see. They have asked to pass the entries, only the journal entries are required. So first journal, bank to debenture application on the receipt is at a premium of 35 per debenture. That means 100 rupee debenture. It is 100 rupee debenture goes for 135 rupees per debenture. So money received on application will be 10,000 into 135 per debenture. 13,50,000 is received on application. Now we have to adjust this 13,50,000 into allotment and security premium and the reserves. Let us see. Debenture, how much will be adjusted in debenture? The debenture account is minus the premium, the value of the debenture, the face value of the debenture. That means 100 rupee per debenture. That is the face value. So 7,500 into 100. The face value of debenture 7,50,000. Premium reserve, debenture premium, security premium reserve into 35. 35 is the security premium here. So 35 rupee per debenture. 2,62,500. And then to bank, the debentures that are rejected. 2,500 debentures were rejected. So their money at the rate of 35 per debenture is refunded, rupees 3,75,000. And the entry is done. The only thing that we have learnt in this question as an advancement over the previous one is the security premium. In case debentures are issued at a premium, that security premium reserve will be credited in the entry of application, wherever application or allotment, wherever it is received, the premium is received, it will be credited in the entry of making the amount due. Next, proceeding now to debentures issued at discount. Now children, debentures, I told you, are freely issued at discount. When the company, now here the question book shows you, when the company issues debentures at a price less than the face value, that is called debentures issued at discount. It is a capital loss to the company. So it has to be written off in the years to come as it occurs. It can be written off. Now it is a capital loss and all the capital losses have to be written off. Where will this be written off? It can be written off from the capital gains. And what are the capital gains? Either this SPR, that means security premium reserve, or from general reserve, or from statement of profit and loss. From any of these three things. When it is the entry, when discount is allowed, discount is a loss, it will be debited. When it is written off, it will be credited, reverted. And where is it being written off from? It will be mentioned in the question. In case not, it is always wiser to write it off from SPR, from the security premium reserve account. So SPR account or general reserve or statement of profit and loss, whatever is mentioned in the question. To discount that, or discount on issue of debentures or loss on issue of debentures, any account you can credit and it is written off. Now the question for this. Illustration 8. It reads, on 15th Feb 2020, A Limited invited applications for the issue of 1,09% debentures of rupees 100 at a discount of 6%. 100 rupees at a discount of 6%. That means at a discount of 6 rupees on 100. redeemable at par. They are redeemed at par after 3 years. The full amount was payable on application and debentures were issued on 15th March. Okay, the first case only. Let us concentrate on the first case. The debentures are issued, bank to debenture application allotment, they're issued at a discount of 6 rupees. That means each debenture of 100 rupees is issued at 94 rupees. So money collected in the bank account, 1 lakh debentures. 1 lakh debentures are issued into 94 rupees. 9,40,000. 94 lakh. That amount that goes debenture applicant. The discount on issue of debentures to debenture account. We write off the debenture application is the total amount 94 lakh, 6 lakh is the debenture and the discount and the total amount in the debenture account to 9% debenture account. Very simple. Now next, after this we come to collateral security, consideration other than cash. This also you've done. Consideration other than cash, sundry asset to vendors, vendors to debenture, same thing. In case those debentures, it is the similar, girls, I'm not spending time again on the description, on the details. We have done all this in the shares. Entries remain the same. Vendors to debentures to secure. In case that these debentures are issued at par, vendors asset to vendor, vendor to debenture. In case these debentures are issued at premium, to security premium. In case these debentures issued at discount, vendor discount to debenture account. The entries remain the same, and you know the process how to find out the debentures, number of debentures in case at premium or discount. We'll do that once we start doing the practical questions. That will be covered.